All right, welcome back. You'll see that we have a new problem here for topic 6. And in topic 6 here, of course, we're trying to use the solver function to evaluate what x is. So first we're going to use the TI-36X Pro. And in order to do this problem, because of how many characters, how long the problem is essentially, we are going to need to simplify this right-hand side before using the solver function. So what I'm going to do is type all this in the calculator and get an answer for it. So we can see everything here. I have a fraction up front here. So parentheses fraction, just because they are parentheses, they're not actually required for this first fraction. There we go. 47.2 on top, and on the bottom 0.008314. Parentheses, more parentheses, which indicates multiplication. 1 over 325.95 minus 1 over 287.85. And close my parentheses. When I hit enter, I will get the valuation right here, negative 2.305 and some other number. All right, now that I have the solution, I can go into solver and I can find what x is. That's our goal, of course, to find the value of this x, and not necessarily the whole evaluation here. That's just a step along the process. So, second, number solve like last time. And now I'm going to write the left side of the equation. Natural log 10 on top of x. And there we go. And on the right-hand side, I don't want to write that giant 2.3 number. So instead, I'm going to go second. And way down here it says answer. That allows you to use your old answer as opposed to typing in the whole thing. So now I just press enter. And I'm going to change that 0 because x doesn't like to be 0 down there. So let's pay 2 or something. 3 doesn't really matter. The closer you are to guessing it, the faster this process takes. And now it's just a matter of waiting. And there we go. 100.2783985. And of course, you'd round it to whatever precision your instructor wants you to round it to, or whatever significant figures you're working in. All right, now we are going to do the TI-84 Plus using the solver function. This one's set up a little differently than the previous calculator, where I can actually type in exactly what we see and just wait for it to solve it. So now we're going to go into math like last time, all the way down here to solver at the very bottom of the list. And I'm going to change the equation that's up there. And I'm literally now going to write all this stuff, but with it all on the same side. So I have this giant expression. I'm going to take this one and just minus it over to here, to the right-hand side. So I'm going to write the same equation as before, 47.2 divided by 0.008314. And it's okay if it runs off like that. Just keep on going. As long as you're typing everything that's written as it is, you're fine. So 1 over 325.95 minus 1 over 287.85. And now I'm going to minus over the natural log part. So minus natural log, which is located right here next to the 4. And it was 10 divided by x. So I hit that, give it a decent guess. We saw the one was about 100, so let's just say we guess something better this time, like 50. And then I need to again go way down here to the bottom where it says solve, hit the green alpha and enter here to get the solve function, and now I just wait. And there we go. The same answer as before, 100.278 and change, rounded to the appropriate significant figure. This one does not have a built-in function, so you would need to brute force this problem. which is beyond the scope of this lesson here. We would actually just compute the right-hand side, use the Euler number, and then solve it. But that's beyond the scope of this lesson, so I'll not be doing this activity on that one.